So, sir, if I were to shift focus from the Ram Mandir issue to a certainly different topic, and that would be your extensive work in restoring the hundreds of temples all across India, I would like to come to the specific incident where you restored the Basrur and Samrur temples in the Dantewada district of Chhattisgarh, which is the hotbed of Naxalite
Yes.
activities. So, what can you tell us about this brave initiative that you undertook by putting yourself in harm's way?
This is, I mean, of course, this Chhattisgarh, especially Barsur and Samlur, because it is in Dantewada area, Jagdalpur area, very hotbed of this one. So normally people, government servants especially, they don't go into that area because you will have to walk for miles and miles sometimes. I mean, on Kacha roads you will have to walk. So, but there was a temple, and it was almost 700 years old temple, and it was a new circle also because that Chhattisgarh circle was a new state also, and for archaeological survey of India it was a new circle also. So we just thought, because it is inside the forest, and we'll have to conserve this monument. So we were not expecting that this area also would be so terribly infested with this kind of Naxal group of people. So half of it was our ignorance, and half of it was our courage also. So it was a mix of both these things. And we went inside, and before that we had some arrangements also there. And then when we reached there at 9:25 early in the morning, we were surrounded because the work was going on. We were surrounded by a group, ordinary looking people, very ordinary looking people. You won't mistake them for this kinds of that terrorists or that kind of ferocious people. It's very ordinary looking people. They took our names, so we told them our names and address in Raipur, but they wanted my name in Kerala, that is in Calicut, what is my address, what is this thing, everything. So we got suspicious. So then I just told them, because I have a close connection with the, I mean, right, so that is part of my personality itself, very close connection with the local people also and the downtrodden people also. Downtrodden people, and even my parents were also like that. So we used to give them, I mean, all kinds of things, help and cooperation for them, for uplifting them. Even while I was working in Delhi, I was running 5 slum schools. Slum schools inside our monument, like Qutub Minar, I had a school. There was in all with this one, Purana Kila, there was another school. And in Lal Kila, there was a school. In this one, our Tughlakabad, there was a school. Adilabad, there was a school. All for the people local. So, and it was when Obama came, Obama wanted to meet these children. And he came and he met our school children also. So I had that kind of attachment with them. So I was close to my local workers also. And they gather all the information from the local people. So I told them one thing, see, all these people are now working, and they are getting their salary because they are working at this site. If you tell us not to work, of course, we'll shift this amount to some other place. But the sufferers would be, we will not be suffering. We can divert this amount. But the sufferers would be the local people, your own people. And then the prevalent, often it happens that if the government is giving them a minimum wage of 75 or 80 rupees, what happens in all these places is this, I mean, people would be getting sometimes 30 or 40 rupees, and the rest of them will be going to so many other parties. So I told them, this is, that this is happening everywhere, but you just ask them how much we are paying and what is the minimum wage. So they said, no, we have already inquired about it. And that is why we have come to you. Then I said, then why do you want to stop us? It is, I mean, we are serving the local people. So they said, no, we don't want to stop you because we have inquired about all these things. And then I said about the quality of the work also. You can just look into the quality of the work. So they have their own engineers also. That is the best part of it. They said that we have checked up that much. Then when I asked them, then they said, no, we just wanted to run our organization. So we need a small contribution, donation. So I said that if it's a small donation, we can manage. But if you ask for a bigger donation, then we'll have to manage it from this own fund. Then this work will suffer. So it was in 2003. So what they asked from us at that time was only 10,000 rupees. And for that, they would be giving some service also. That service was, at that time, they were not in good contact, in good connection, good relation with Andhra Naxalites. So they said that when Andhra Naxalites will come, we will inform you and you'll have to stop the work for 15, 20 days. And then when they go back, we'll again inform you. So that was our arrangement. So this way, many of the temples in that area, Jagdalpur, where people were afraid of going, we got it repaired, and now it is very healthy and it is in a very, very good condition.
That's so nice to hear, sir. And the most difficult part about this entire thing, and also the most admirable part about this entire operation you undertook, is that you had to work with such deadly militants in the region, and the way you did it with such ease and with such care to ensure that such a volatile situation does not get out of hand and rather is used to the best of everybody's ability and for the good of the people and the country is really admirable and it's really commendable.
Namaste. We hope you enjoyed this Chitti Media content. Please remember to subscribe to us and switch on the notifications for this channel. For our other social media links, more content, and to support our work, please visit citti.net. Dhanyavad. Namaskar.